Daylight closes at sunset. And the workday is done. You've kissed foreheads. And put babies to bed. You've talked yourself tired. To both stranger and family. This is no metaphor. You've heard Ma shouted way too many times. And your husband's, what's for dinner? Magician. But the day is over. The house is quiet, and I know no one's probably taken the time to say something very important. Thank you. Thank you for all the hard work. Thank you for all the magic you put into each hour, each minute, each second. How do you make a day last long enough to fit everything in it? For every magician moms everywhere. Thank you. As a mother comforts her child, so will I comfort you, and you will be comforted over Jerusalem. Friends, our aging mother needs us. This is our last chance. Do you have similar experience? Why don't you share your thoughts with us?